I don't know how to launch this car. Oh God. Oh God, I'm still in 6th gear. Ugh, buffering. I haven't been to IHOP in a minute.
Yeah. I don't remember the last time I went to IHOP.
Okay. He's a YN. Hey, the Super's mine. Let me get the Super, but let me park next to the Super. Yeah. Let me park next to the Super, okay? I'm parking next to the Super. Sorry, y'all. Sorry. What is wrong with... Do you guys not have backup cams? Watch, one take. One take is all I need. Bro, you're the only, like, why y'all having to fix your part? So, we just got back from a car meet. I know, I'm sorry I didn't get the car meet on film, but I'll probably just do a quick, you know, walk around of the group that we were rolling with. Let's, you know, we got a big group here, so let's check it out. Obviously, this is my car. It's a GR Corolla, like everyone knows. So, we have a WRX. Recently new though. It looks good. It's not the VB, but the generation before. Looks great. Let's go ahead and let's ask for consent. Hey boss, is it cool if I film your car? Okay. I'm just gonna walk around the GoPro, do walk around everyone's car. So we got this Corvette here, but I don't know anything about Corvettes. It looks good though. Like, it's probably fast. It looks good. It's got like the eyelids on it. Nice tint. There's not much more I can say. I don't know a lot of the owners and what they did to their car, but it looks good. It sounds good too. I mean, it's not on now, but for sure sounds good. Let's go ahead and... What do you guys want to see next? The Supra. We just got kicked out. I'll be back. Sorry, it sounded so good when he started it up, but it's loud. Jeez. We're back. It's an M Light. We got an M Light right here. Back. Got a nice Supra on beadlocks. Don't ask me how much it's making. I don't know exactly. That's all. Looks good. Very nice. Let's
I'm gonna get a single like next week.
Hey boss, is it cool if I get your Corvette on camera?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a guy.
You don't have to move. I'm just getting some shots of it.
And he's on a big boost bottom mount.
This is the, I have no clue what this is, but it's really cool. Right? He's got the hood pops for us. See what he's got. Z06. This thing is crazy looking. Big old brakes. Nice interior. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Jalen, I'm gonna get your car on camera. So, Scat Pack, bike. People that know about bikes, let me know what this is. I have no clue what it is. I know it's a Yamaha, and that's all. Scat Pack, forged carbon duckbill. He recently put this on. Really, really nice. Super shiny still. Really, really nice. Sorry, you guys are on film. Very nice. There's the WRX I was talking about. Where's Derek? Derek! 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 I'm gonna get your car on camera. Okay, and then we also have a AMG. So this, honestly, if I saw this thing on the road, I wouldn't know that it's gapping everyone, me included. Like, look at this thing. It's super clean. Just a clean look. Clean look, nothing that kind of scares you unless you're already behind the car. You know, you see AMG badge. Inside is nice too. Oh, sorry. We got the Corvette like I did earlier. This white one that had the startup on it. Super nice. Got BMW too. BMW looks good. It's M4. Timeless look. He's always looks so good. F80, F82, G82, G80, all those chassis, all the newer ones. They always all look so good. Like this color. This color, amazing. Slow B58. B58 boys, hold it down. Let them know what's up. He's calling y'all out right now. And he said ew to your AMG as well. Dang it. Sorry. It's just a little walk around, just a little yap session. But we got an M4 comp. Very nice. This thing sounds mean on the road. This is the only car I heard when we were pulling out. I mean, besides the vets, but the vets were like, they're far gone already. So this was the car I was hearing when we were pulling out for sure though. And then when we hit like the main road, when you passed, this was the car I was listening to. I heard it. I was in the way back too. Look at the spec too. This spec is sick. These seats are so nice. You like the seats? Like, are they comfy? This is great, dude. The steering wheel too. Yeah. Matches the paint. You got the Saratoga in there? That's how you know. That's how you know, dude. All right, let's take a look at this front end. This is nice. This is so great. Dude, he's got the septum intakes too.
My front end got cooked.
So clean. What happened to it?
I got hit by a piece of plastic.
Oh,
Right
like right there? Oh, right there. No.
But it can be buffed out.
Yeah.
My buddy's gonna buff it out.
That sucks, man. You started your PPF a week too late, man.
Yeah, I know, right?
Should have had it PPF'd already. Nah, so nice. You still want an M5 though? You still trying to get traded in or what?
G90?
Yeah.
No, honestly, I'm looking at next
R8?
Yeah.
That's big. The price, is there a huge price tag difference between this and the R8 you want?
This? Yeah, this was like 90, bro. R8's like 160.
Jesus. Still though, this is nice. This spec is nice. Dude, carbon front grille, intakes in the front. We are maximizing air right now. Classic. This look, timeless. Timeless.
I'll start it over.
Yeah, let me hear it. Timeless look. We're getting a cold start on it. And this color too. Between this and blue. Oh my god. Yeah.
Oh, he's gone. Yeah, the lady kicked us out because, you know, sorry, I don't know if you hear me. The lady kicked us out unless you're pumping gas. There he is, backing up. But yeah, so sick.
Just a nice little filler. This is would have been this and more if I filmed the whole meet, but I didn't. I don't know. I kind of got carried away. Live in the moment. Very nice. Look at all these. Quick overview: Corolla, M4 Comp, B48 Low, B58, Corvette, Scat, WRX, the bike. Don't forget the bike, he said. Was it a R6? What is it?
R6.
R6? I'll get the bike. Watch this shot right here. Nice, nice. Very nice. Nice. Stats. Small overview. But yeah, that's kind of who we rolled with to the meet. That's kind of it. They look great. They sound great. And yeah, thanks for tuning in.